Gyeran Ppang is a very popular street food in Korea. Gyeran means egg, Ppang means bread. If you have visited Korea, you will not miss the Gyeran Ppang street vendor. The sweet smell of the bread is irresistible, especially during winter. It is very satisfying to have a piece of steamy, hot, fluffy bread as snack. Let's bake together. The vendors are using special mold to make the egg bread. We can use whatever we have at home to create this lovely bread. I'm using a mini loaf pan of 7 cm by 14 cm. Just pour the batter half full and crack an egg into it. The main ingredients are just egg and flour. You can enhance the taste with cheese, ham or bacon bits, chopped spring onions, parsley, black pepper or sesame. It is really up to your preference. Look at this, a beautiful loaf. Let's cut it to see the texture. Wow, bouncy, airy and fluffy with the egg and savory bits, so yummy. Enjoy this as breakfast or snack with a cup of tea or coffee. Nothing can beat this blissful time. To bake this Korean egg bread, I've tried a few recipes and failed miserably. You may experience the same like me, where you try to work on the recipe after seeing the beautiful photo or convincing video, but ended up with disappointing result, right? Well, not to worry anymore, cause I have done all the experiments and it's my fail-proof recipe. Isn't it fantastic? I will be sharing more on baking and cooking recipes with tips. Follow me by clicking on the subscribe button for notification. Bye!